Number 7, this is a big one. I cannot emphasize it enough. For anybody who is a designer, website designer, graphic designer, any type of design, what is the biggest mistake I see designers make? I hire graphic designers, I hire animators or illustrators. The biggest mistake I see them make is they deliver their project to the client via email with no instructions on how to experience it. It is a bad assumption to think that the client is going to know how to navigate through every aspect of the creative work that you brought to life. The simple solution: use Loom. You record a Loom video, you walk them through it, or at least you prep them on how to look at it, and that way they know what they're seeing. They don't have to try to figure it out along the way. Use Loom, record your screen, share it with them, show them what the project is, introduce it to them, show them how to think about it, show them how to sit with it. This process is so valuable for everyone on board.